There, this is Dr. Cosette M. White, America's #1 advisory accountant and tax expert. Today, I want to talk to you all about avoiding the red flags with the Internal Revenue Service. But before I jump into that, let me just tell you who I service and what I do before I, just jump into the information. But I service business owners. I service individuals who are looking to gain clarity and focus as it relates to their finances. We are a boutique service provider providing accounting services, tax management, tax preparation, tax planning, as well as other business services to help our businesses owners grow. It's all about growing. It's all about that bottom line. It's all about understanding where we can maximize our money, where we can stop leaving money on the table, and where we can put the plugs in those money leaks, y'all. So today, what I want to talk about is avoiding the red flags, avoiding simple red flags with the Internal Revenue Service. And let me just say this: sometimes we bring things on ourselves, and it's as simple as this: the Internal Revenue Service sends you a letter, and you ignore the letter. Listen, you guys, if you get a letter, whether it is certified, whether it comes regular mail, and it comes from any tax agency, your state or your federal agencies, make sure that you take a moment to open the letter. If you get a certified letter and maybe you need to go down to the post office to pick the letter up because you were not at home and the postman attempted to deliver it and they need your signature, go pick it up. Because what could happen is it could cause a bigger headache than it already is by just opening the letter, going to pick up the letter, abiding by the deadline that's in the letter. It's that simple, you all. But see, when you decide that you don't want to go down there and pick the letter up, or you don't want to open the mail, maybe you've missed the simple deadline. And maybe they're asking for one additional piece of documentation that they are saying send into our office by a certain date. You missed the date. They not playing, you guys. So you missed the date, and guess what? It's caused you to go through a full-fledged audit. Do you have the time to go through an audit? Do you have the patience to go through an audit? I'm going to say no, because when you call me and I have to get involved, then those are some of the questions that I will ask you. Well, did you get the notice? And listen, here's the deal. Here's what I do know about the Internal Revenue Service is that they're going to make multiple attempts to get your attention before it gets to that final stage. So don't allow it to get to that final stage. Inspect what you expect. If you expect to turn in a tax return and not get audited, then inspect. If they ask you for something, just take a moment, go through it, pick up your phone and call your tax preparer, ask for some advice, ask for some help in whatever information that they're asking for. And just as a side note, I talked about it on another video. When you're looking for a tax preparer, you want to make sure that you have selected a tax preparer that works year-round. Someone that you can get in touch with to ask these questions during the non-peak season when the IRS decides that they want to audit the taxpayers. So if your tax preparer is someone that's not around year-round and they can assist you when these types of letters come to answer and troubleshoot, then maybe look into someone else that can assist you year-round. All right, but open the mail, you guys. If the Internal Revenue sends you a letter, if whatever state you're in, if they send you a letter, whatever tax agency sends you a letter, make sure that you open it. I can't say that any smoother, any cleaner. Make sure you open the mail. All right. Hey, make sure you hit the subscribe button below. That way you can stay in tune to all the information that I have as it relates to our money, our finances, our business, growing the numbers, growing from 5 digits to 6 digits to 7 digits. Stop paying Uncle Sam. Stop wasting money. The money that you are wasting, you can put that away into retirement. So just hit the subscribe button. That way we can stay connected and stay in the know together, all right? In the meantime, follow me on all social media outlets. I'm at Cosette M. White on all social media outlets. Again, that's Cosette M. White. Wherever you hang out, just go hang out there with me. And I want you to be knowledgeable of the services that we offer. Head over to www.myfinancialhome.com. Again, that's www.myfinancialhome.com to learn more about the services and products that we offer to our clients. And if you need a strategy session, you can book the session right there on the site. All right. In the meantime, you have an awesome and amazing day. I can't wait to chat with you again.